Hey guys, welcome to another banger with Blading Bros. Today I will be showing one of these things I made. It's just origami. If you guys like that, it's just just move it. Stop. See, there's a sea star. There's a fish on it. And there's the seaweed with the water and cool looking. Well, that's that. There's also another thing I need to get.
Get the burger.
There's all the Beyblades. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's this. So you put a coin in, and then it pushes in the slot here. You put a coin in, and if I turn it around, this thing here pops out, and then you pull it out, and you turn it over, and then this thing can move left and right. Before it couldn't move at all. Now if you want a blue lolly or a red lolly, you just push this thing at the back in.
Yeah.
See, if you look in this hole here, like right here, it comes in. That's when the lolly, it pushes the lolly out. And secret coin slot. That's where all the coins are. On the other side, nothing, because you can't pull it out, which is what makes it secret. And I will be showing more videos with that. But right now, we're going to have a few Beyblade battles. If you want me to do anything else about Beyblading, leave it in the comments below. Okay, Jace, grab your Beyblade.
Okay, I will.
I will be using this video here. Now, Jace, I might whip you. Get launcher started. Quickly, Jace. Hurry up.
Jace,
hurry up. Alright, let me do it. Hurry up. 3, 2, 1, go. Hurry up. For this round, we're only going to be doing 2 battles. And obviously, Belfish is going to win. Jace, move. You can't stand there. Move over there.
I'm going to win. Stay, I'm going to win.
Okay, now we're going to do another battle, and it's our last battle. Now you better be quick, Jace. Okay, Jace, you're going to go. Now let's do a really light launch. You don't know who won there because Jace swapped Beyblades.
Okay, sorry about
But
that.
if you guys enjoy me doing this, just leave it in the comments below. Remember to subscribe and goodbye.